Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this episode we have recap of last week, some unboxing and continue with the building progress of course. Let's start. Alright, recap of last week. We did installed the teller cluster, installed the front shock with the clip-ons of course. We installed a brand new rear shock absorber. It was not much, but we had some difficulties with the bottom side of the rear shock absorber. We didn't know how to position the clip-ons, so we did it a couple of times. The teller unit, it's quite straightforward. Now the unboxing process. We have a lot of new packages, some fresh tires, big boxes, small boxes, even some envelopes. Let's see how to unbox them. Alright.
Hello guys. Today I came to Edwin and I saw a lot of packages, but he knows what's in them, but I don't. So I'm gonna unbox them today with you. Let's start with
the smallest one.
Yes.
And we go from small to big.
Here we have some packages. You can already see what's in them. The grips. But I'm gonna leave them sealed so they don't get dirty. Here we have some really big blinkers.
Almost orange fish tanks.
Yes. I think I can keep my goldfish in them.
Yeah.
Here we have a special tool. I don't know if you guys know what it is, but leave it in the comments down below. Wow, it's the sprockets and the chain.
Let's see what color the chain is, because I ordered it a long time ago and I have no clue what the color is. If it's black, gold, I have no idea.
We're gonna see. It's grey.
Grey! Oh, that's a bummer. We still have an upgrade plan for a gold one.
It looks like a reed valve.
Is that a good one?
Yes, it's V-force where it fits. Also looks something for the brakes. Oh yes, it's a repair kit.
Yeah, it's an overall kit for the front brake lever.
This looks like a nice brake line.
It's metal mounted? Yeah, of course.
And the bolts. I don't know how to say it in English. But in Dutch we say banjobouten.
With the copper ring, so we have some spares.
It's always great to have spares.
Yeah.
Copper is not cheap.
Talking about brakes, let's get a brake.
We have new tires.
Yeah. Fresh tires.
Pirelli Sport Demons.
Yeah. Let's use this one because that's the other bike that I had in the early days. That brand and type, we cannot get it anymore. So, according AI, this was a good replacement. Now the big box. That may be a surprise, Denzel. Yeah, is that quality?
Yes.
Looks nice?
Looks really nice. It feels nice. Looks nice.
Look at that.
Look at that.
The reason I bought this one, Denzel, I was looking for more than a year for a replacement exhaust because, wait a second. This is the original one. It's quite heavy, dirty, and it doesn't look very nice on a rebuilt motorcycle. So I did search for a year on the internet and I finally found this exhaust. It's from Turbo Kit. But I was scrolling on the internet a few days ago and I saw this one on what was it, eBay, and I thought this one looks very nice. It's also for a ES2 type motorcycle. So I thought I need to buy it because yeah, maybe this is the last time you can. And you can better have two than one.
Yes. Maybe we'll build.
Yeah, now we can
cylinders
also
on it.
try if this exhaust rides different, let's say in power of the motor, of the engine, versus this exhaust, because this one is straight, it's designed different than this one. This has more the original curve. So we can compare them in the near future. Unboxing check, which means it's finally time to start wrenching on the engine. First mission, get that reed valve installed, and when that's locked in, we're dropping the engine into the frame. Meanwhile, I had a question for Denzel. Hey Denzel,
Yes.
question.
Yes.
If the bike rides,
Yes.
where should we go as a road trip?
You mean around the world or in the Netherlands?
It doesn't matter.
I think Deutschland.
Deutschland? Okay, small interruption. With Deutschland he means Germany. I think our motto is learn by doing. I think that fits us well. And let's continue the conversation. Also with your bike, of course, huh? Not only with this one.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
With the big KTM.
Yeah.
Or that small one.
Now with your KTM to the Black Forest
Yes.
for a weekend.
Now guys, you hear it.
Yeah.
Maybe 2 times 125 two-stroke
Yeah.
through the forest. But not with these temperatures.
No, in the summer or something.
It's a great idea.
But first we need to finish this bike, of course. And do we need to pimp yours before?
I have a lot of stuff laying in my garage
Yeah.
to pimp it, so
Maybe in the next video, next project. It's a quite small project, maybe it's one episode. And we're gonna pimp the KTM of Denzel.
to a supermoto.
Yeah.
We'll add a picture of it now. Later you guys will see how we're gonna build it. Alright.
That's the old one. And for the viewers with a very good memory, do you still remember what we said when unboxing the reed valve?
Where it fits.
Yes, that's correct. We hope it fits. Okay, first roadblock.
Another small one.
Nope. We want to try to install the reed valves.
Yes. But we have a problem.
Yeah, it's stated that it's suitable for an NSR, but Denzel, what's the problem?
Alright. Look at this.
This is the width of the reed valve.
Yes. As you can see, the reed valve,
Yeah, I
It's
hope you
like
can see it. It's a little bit conical.
it's not straight.
No.
So if we measure this, you can see
Yeah.
it doesn't fit. It's not even a millimeter.
But it's too much.
So
What do we need to do?
we have to file away the
We will,
sides of your intake.
we will block the hole because we don't want to split the whole engine. And we're gonna grind off a little bit of the side of the insert.
To make it fit.
Yeah. What Denzel says, it's not even a millimeter, maybe a half.
But it's too much.
Yeah, but it doesn't fit, so we need to adjust it.
We'll be back.
Guys, I don't want to bother you with all the footage of the grinding process, so here are a few clips. Finally, after 3 hours of grinding and tweaking, we managed to adjust the intake to fit the reed valve. It wasn't just the sides, the corners, the top and even the bottom has to be grinded down. But hey, it's done and it fits perfectly. We can compare the two reed valves. The old one big triangle. The new one, 2 smaller ones. With the benefit of 2 smaller ones, there are also reed valves in between. So the surface area is almost twice as big. That's why it's better for the fuel mixes to go through. The old one, the flaps are from plastic. They're quite flexible and they are limited by this metal piece. The new one are from carbon. It's much stiffer and they are not limited by anything, so it's better for the fuel mix to go through. Alright, reed valve fits, now it's time to install the carburetor. And as you know our slogan, learn by doing, we do what we do best. We do everything twice. I can take it apart again. I forgot the gasket. Things happens. So, carburetor installed. Now we have to wait for Denzel because he left. He has a soccer game. And if he's back this afternoon, I hope, we can install the engine inside the frame. Thank you guys for watching. Please consider to like and subscribe to follow this journey of this motorcycle rebuild.